In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay or schedule emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you want your email to go out later instead of being sent immediately, Outlook makes that very simple. This is especially useful when you're preparing messages ahead of time, working outside business hours, or just want to make sure your email arrives at the right moment. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is your main mail view, and it's the best place to begin before creating a new scheduled message. Once you're in the inbox, click on New. This opens the menu where you can start creating something new in Outlook. From there, choose Mail. That will open a fresh email draft where you can write your message just as you normally would. At this point, go ahead and fill in your email details like the recipient, subject line, and the body of your message. Before sending, take a moment to quickly review everything. Scheduling an email is helpful, but it's still important to make sure the content is ready before it goes out. Now, instead of clicking the main Send button right away, look for the small downward arrow beside Send. This arrow opens extra sending options, and that's where the scheduling feature is located. Click that arrow and then select Schedule Send. Outlook will show you options for when you want the email to be delivered. If one of the suggested times works for you, you can use that. But if you want more control, click on Custom Time and choose your preferred date and time. When selecting a custom time, make sure you choose carefully, especially if timing matters. It's a good idea to double check the date and the hour before confirming, so your message doesn't go out too early or too late. This can be particularly helpful if you're sending across different time zones or planning messages for the next business day. After you've chosen your preferred time, click Send. Even though you're clicking Send now, the email won't be delivered immediately. Instead, Outlook will hold it and automatically send it at the time you selected. That's all it takes to schedule an email in Microsoft Outlook. It's a quick feature, but it can make your workflow much more organized and professional. If you prepare emails in advance, this tool can save time and help you communicate more effectively.